Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're diving into OpenArt's AI video generator using the Seedance model. Seedance 1.0 is OpenArt's flagship AI video generator, and it's currently ranked among the top performers on major AI video benchmarks. What makes it stand out? Research shows that Seedance was built for precision, unlike many tools that glitch when prompts get too specific. It consistently follows even your most complex instructions. Let's test it out and see how good it really is. Once you have signed up, click on Videos. Seedance supports both image-to-video and text-to-video generation. But for this demo, we'll stick with text. When you click on text, you'll be asked to enter a prompt. Here is the one I'll use. A joyful golden retriever running through a field of wildflowers at golden hour, holding a daisy in its mouth, ears flapping, tail wagging, soft sunlight, cinematic slow motion, photorealistic, warm color tones. Next, select Seedance 1.0 as the model. I'm also turning on Auto Enhance Prompt. This feature helps refine your text and fill in any missing details so you get the absolute best results. For sound, I'll click Auto Sound and enter the description I want. Then scroll down to fine-tune the settings. I'm choosing Pro mode for realistic detail and smoother motion. Aspect ratio 16:9 for long-form videos. Finally, hit Create. It usually takes a couple of minutes to process. And here is the 5-second video we got. Honestly, the quality is impressive. It hits almost everything from the prompt. A golden retriever running through a field of wildflowers, daisy in its mouth, warm lighting, great detail. Now, let's talk about the sound. I asked for this. Light, cheerful, acoustic guitar melody with soft background nature sounds, birds chirping, gentle breeze, rustling grass, and paw step sounds. But the sound wasn't an exact match. No birds chirping or nature ambience, which was a bit disappointing. Since I wasn't happy with the audio, let's try another run. This time, I'll set the sound back to auto and remove my description. Everything else stays the same. Hit Create again. And here is the new output. Now, the AI added dog sounds, but this time there's no daisy in the dog's mouth, likely to match the sound design. Everything else is spot on, ears flopping, tail wagging, running through the wildflowers. To be honest, the video generation quality is extremely accurate and realistic, especially with complex prompts. Sound matching, though, isn't quite the same level yet. I definitely recommend experimenting with OpenArt's video generation. We have come a long way with these tools, and the results are really impressive. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.